For the last part of Project 5, we're going to talk about how to format the resume. And there's a couple different ways to do this, and I'm not saying one is better than the other and that you need to use both, but I want to show just the way the book does both of these. The first is I'm going to go under the Design tab, and I'm going to go under Fonts, and I'm going to customize a font. And this is very similar to what is on page 296, figure 5-35. I'm going to change the font style to the top one, the heading, to Berlin Sans, FB Demi, and then the other one to Bookman Old Style. And I'm going to call this font resume text. When I hit save, it updated the style that was on this resume. Okay, so that's one interesting aspect. The other way to do this, or another way to do this, is if I go under the Home tab and their styles already listed up here. I'm actually going to click right here. I'm sorry. Close that. I want to create a custom style, or create a style. So I'm going to hit heading 1, right click on heading 1. Sorry, let's click right at the bottom corner here. This is where it was at, sorry. And go to create a style. And I'm going to call this style, this is a custom style, I'm going to call resume heading. And I hit OK on that. And you'll notice my cursor was up here in this part of the document, so I actually want to undo that. And I actually wanted this to be under membership, and I believe I need to increase the font size on membership slightly. So I'll increase that, and let me do this again. Let me create a style called resume. I'll call it resume headings and hit OK. Now up here in the top you have a number of styles that are, some are, I just created the one, some are pre-created. So what you can do is you can actually, if you highlight like the word experience and double click on resume heading, it'll add that style. Maybe subtle to see. Let me do one that's not so subtle and then undo that. Is if I want to use this names, see how it'll apply that style there, and I can go across the board and show what these different styles look like. As shown, you can create your own styles, which is very handy, or you can use the ones that are already available. Entirely up to you. It's just they mentioned in this project how to utilize those. What you may want to do is go back out under layout and turn off your grid lines and take a look at your document and save it, and that's what you will submit for Project 5.